Waste is waste when you waste it. But if you treat it, you can use it. Kasasiro abeera kasasiro ng'omutudde kasasiro. Naye bw'omujjanjaba osobola omufunamu ekyomugaso.
Yes, of course. The details for ja, dem der ligger æg og sådan noget.
Okay. It's okay. Can we have some of them?
Beautiful.
Are you done? Good.
Wow.
Good job. Good job.
Whatever is in this 1 minute caption is what you gotta watch in this 14 minutes video. Hey, my beautiful people, greetings from wherever you are, and I say you're most welcome to VS-veritychannel. Still, I'm shooting this video in the central part of Uganda, Africa, Kampala district, and today we're here to show you that we can get money from garbage, okay? Oh, let's take steps. Come collect garbage with us. Wow.
You're selling
The goats, they like it. The goats, they like it.
Let's wait for them.
I think we are going back now.
This is the station, guys.
Selling things.
Oh my gosh. Yes, comrades, around the area, this is a ghetto area, and
is the last one or you have another one? So,
Is it everything that you can use for the briquettes?
for that,
Yes, is it
yes, as
everything?
long as it's dry.
As long as it's dry?
Yes, it works. Yeah.
So also food? Could you use
Apart from veras and whatever plastics, no.
Yeah.
Fruits, we use it like we decompose it into manure, and we are gonna show you in the factory there down. Yes, this is another sector. I have another sector the other side, so you're going to experience. Yes. So fruits, we are taking it there.
Yeah.
Yes, we crush in a machine. Then we introduce the larvae of black soda fly.
Yeah.
It decomposes into manure and animal feeds.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, nice.
So after collection, we do what we call sorting. Sort. If we sort like here, you can put this hot rod.
The plastic bottles that you assemble or collect, what you use?
people take them,
Yeah,
people
sorry
take
for
them to
it.
use in bags to get it to make plastic, yeah.
So you go back with that after?
People will pick it.
Okay, just come by and take it.
Work with him. So we have another group which takes this, which is decomposable.
Is it jackfruit?
Jackfruits, vegetables, everything. So we use this small insect called the black soldier fly. Have you heard about it? Black soldier fly. Yes, the black soldier fly feeds on this, and in 2 weeks we have black soil for vegetables. See vegetables over there. Yes, we use it for vegetables. We get larvae to as protein feed hens and pigs and fish. Yeah, so they use the dry one, the dry waste.
Yes.
We take the wet one. Yes, the vegetables, the fruits,
So you only use dry?
for the
For
briquettes,
briquettes.
yes. Only the dry
So
one.
yeah, you said the flies, they eat
The flies are the ones that
they
eat
eat the vegetables, and then they use like the flies to feed the chicken.
Yes,
Yes. Okay.
yes. And the chicken become happy because they
Yes.
like it. It's protein.
Yes, of course.
Protein, yes.
So, what next? This is what we should dry for briquettes. This one, we have the buyers now. This is money also. A kilo of this is 500 shillings. Now, a kilo of this one is 1,000 shillings, Ugandan shillings. A kilo of this one. They buy. Then, if these are also Vera. Then, if we get the manure from this,
A kilo is 5,000 shillings.
a kilo
5,000 is like 5 bottles of soda.
5,000 shillings.
Yes.
A kilo. If we dry it very well, then if we put some larvae, it is another money. Okay. So this is what if we dry this, it is what we get, that charcoal dust. It's a dust, it's like a charcoal dust. Then after carbonizing it, we shall get these ingredients which we use to make that charcoal. Now, the other side we have a charring drum. We are going to pick some of the dry ones. So this pipe is called the chumu. It takes this vapor up.
Yes, after sieving, we get what is called char. As you see behind here, he's trying to show them. You see, guys are feeling it.
Wait, yeah, you are going to make it. You are going to make it.
Having a channel on YouTube, so it's where I put our activities. So I'll give you the handle. Yes.
Yeah, but YouTube
But we're going to go to say.
YouTube kanaal, ja.
Here she's mixing char and clay in a local way. Oh, it's nice to have the experience. This is the manual style of mixing using these manual skills, and remember we also have electric machines if you feel like, and also when you have potential.
There you are.
It is ready. You can keep.
Yes.
I'm not strong enough. I haven't done my push-ups for today. Oh yeah, I can't.
Anyone? There. It's all right now. You put one, we start. Some of us should start producing there in the machine. Yeah? This one is ready now.
So this can be made to briquettes now, yeah?
Let's have some volunteers. One volunteer? You put back that. Come on. Any volunteer? Even here, you add.
I got some lessons. Do you want to try? And then I try to do it back time like this.
Beautiful.
Are you done? Good.
Wow.
Good job. Good job.
So that they're lighting.
They're showing me how.
As we are planning to end up this video, wanna thank you who had tuned in up to this time. Next time do the same. We'll love you much. Let's meet in the next day. Wow.